Meaning of eider duck.
Eider duck.
Eider duck.
Eider duck.
Eider duck. The eider duck is a large sea duck found in the northern hemisphere, known for its soft down feathers that are used in bedding and clothing. The species is particularly notable for its habit of lining its nest with these feathers, making it an important resource for the traditional eiderdown industry. In addition to their importance to humans, eider ducks play a critical role in marine ecosystems, feeding on shellfish and other small creatures and serving as prey for larger predators such as eagles and foxes.